Hi everyone. In this very quick video, I'm just going to run through all of Patreon's August files, including the 6 figures and the 2 custom models as well. So this month, we have got, like I said, 6 new figures to show you guys. We've also got a foot Yule pump and a new house front as well. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly run through how best to print these items and if there's anything else that you need to know about when you come to using these items. Everything should be pretty straightforward, as I try to make everything as straightforward as possible. So the first one I'm going to run through is the figures. Now in the files, you will come across various files for each figure. Now the ones you want to print, if you use an FDM printer, such as the Ender 3, which I use, you'll want to use the ones that are called 16mm scale versions. And they come with these pre-built supports already in. So I've just loaded the files into Cura, which is what I'm using to slice the 3D prints. And you'll see that everything's already ready to go. So load these in, print them, and then just remove the supports by hand afterwards. The only thing you need to know really about this month is this figure here. He's holding an umbrella. Now the umbrella is very thin at the base, so in order to do that I had to model the umbrella separately and add it on. So when you come to print this is the top of the umbrella and these are the supports holding it. So you just simply break these off, print this as is, flip that upside down and glue it onto there. That seems to be the most logical way I could think of getting the umbrella to print properly without needing either loads of supports or it constantly failing on that thin part. And I think that thin part's really important to have on the umbrella as well. So the next models we're going to look at is the fuel pump. So we'll just go back to the prepare stage for this. Again in Cura, you can see this model in here. Now this should print without any supports needed whatsoever. So again, I've just loaded in the 60mm version and just send that to print as is. The other parts of the fuel pump, the top and the hose. Now, I found the best way to print these was actually using supports, but the ones that are built into Cura automatically. So in here, we've just ticked supports, and it's just the default support settings. And when we go and look at that, that's adding a bit of support around the base of the top of the fuel pump, so it stops any nasty artifacts underneath there. And as well, because the fuel pump is round, the hose is round, and these things are slightly conical in shape, and some things are a bit deeper than others, you just need that little bit of support under everything. And this actually printed out really well, just by using just these supports. So that's the fuel pump. Then the last one is the house, which actually also includes the gate as well. And again, all I've done is I've just loaded these in separately into here. Now there's no need for supports on these. They should just print exactly as you see it. The only thing you'll need to do is obviously just change how many items of door, window, gate post you want. And that's it really. There shouldn't be any real need for anything overly complicated. If you're running them through a resin printer, obviously you'll need to use your own supports and things like that. But on the whole, that's kind of generally all you need to know about this month's files. If anybody has any questions or queries about these files, or is having any trouble with them at all, just drop me an email or send me a message, and yeah, we'll sort something out. Okay, that's it for this one. Take care, guys.